Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to tie a knot for hand sewing. This will be an absolute beginner sewing tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this sewing needle and I have this thread. I'm going to place that thread to the side and we're going to work with this piece of thread right here. Now, as you can see, I've already threaded it through the eye of the sewing needle. And bear with me because I tried to get the thread to be a different color than the background tile. So what we're going to do is we're going to zoom in just a bit so hopefully the camera keeps focus where it needs to keep it. Now, what you need to do is you need to get the needle towards the end of the thread. Okay, just like that. You need to find the end of the thread, which is right over here. Okay, that's the end. And then the other side is going to be the middle of the thread, we're going to call it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your end of your thread, you're going to cross it over the middle just like that. Okay, just like that to form an X. Okay, and I like to keep one finger through the loop just to keep that loop. Now, at this point, professionals will just spin their fingers and create, a triple knot. But what we're going to do is we're going to make it easier. Since this is a beginner sewing tutorial, I'm going to assume that you're not a professional. So we're going to just manually loop it through. So you can see this is the loop right here. This is the end of the thread. I'm going to go and send it around the loop. So I'm just going into the loop and back out. So that's one time, you can see right there, right? So we have the thread, the end going through once, okay? Continue keeping a good amount of the thread right there. So that's a single knot. To do a double knot, we're going to loop it through again. So let's just get a little bit more slack here. We're going to once again loop it through again now to do a double knot. So now at this point, we've done a double knot. To do a triple knot, we're going to do it one more time. Take that end and you want to loop it through one more time just like that, okay? And we're going to pull it out. Now we have a triple knot. Now all that we need to do is just tie it up just like that. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to bring it nice and closely together just like this. And what I like to do is bring both of these sides together. So now I have the end and the middle, okay? And I like to pull on them like that together, just pulling them really tightly. And we've now created this nice loop. Once again, you got to pull really, really tightly just like that. And if you really want to strengthen it, you can bring it all the way down like that over top of the needle, of the eye of the needle. That's basically it. That is literally how to tie a knot for hand sewing. Now we have a triple knot on here, so it's going to be nice and tight, nice and firm. You can see I can pull on this on either side and it's not going to come out. So that's how I create my knot for hand sewing. There are many different ways, but that's how I create mine. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.